I am Osazo Agbebo and I'm presenting my 3MTT capstone project. It's an enterprise waste pickup manager. I built it for companies, so it's a B2B, B2C project. So companies can come in, sign up, create accounts, manage their businesses, manage their drivers, manage their residents, manage their routes, and what have you. So it's actually multi-tenant, so different companies can create accounts here. So let's get over it and see what's inside. Organizations can create an account or sign in. So when organizations create their account, they have to enter their CAC, so it will be verified. So after verification, before they will be approved, this all they can just sign in for approved account. So let me use an approved account already. So sign in. Sorry. So sign in to here's the dashboard where they can see their portals, their zones, their routes, their drivers, their residents, and service requests made. So there's a zone. A zone is like an area, for instance, Metama zone or Yanyan zone or something like that with many routes. You get, so those routes can cover different residents. So let's create a zone. We'll create one for Metama. So say Metama axis or whatever you want to call it. So you can see it has popped up already. The database is Postgres. Then in those zones, let's see the drivers. We can import drivers either using a CSV sheet or manually create a driver. So a driver does not need to sign up. An admin will create them and give them their logins, so phone number and password. So because most drivers don't have emails, so you get then you can also see residents. So every organization can just import their residents and give them their logins. So here's a route. So remember I said each zone can have many routes, and that route can be assigned to a driver, and that route can serve multiple residents. So serving multiple residents is called a stop because they have to stop at the resident's house. So yeah, we're creating a route now for my timer axis and assigning it to a particular driver for a particular date. So the driver on the driver's portal, the driver will see this particular route and knows, okay, I have two stops here, and will also see those stops on their map. So, okay, so let's sign in as a driver. You can sign in as a driver with their phone number and password. So, and residents also have their own portal also to make service requests. So here's the route. So this particular driver has been assigned two routes, one for Matama and the other for Guagalada. So the Matama has no stop because there are no residents there, but the Guagalada side has two stops because there are two residents living in that particular area, that particular zone. So that's why we can see the map so that the driver can see their stops. But for the other one, the Matama side, there was no map showing up because there were no stops for the driver to make on that particular route. Okay, ideally you don't create a route if there are no residents, but this is just for demonstration purposes. All right, thank you. So, and residents also have their portal where they can make service requests, and just in case a driver missed their appointment or something, they can make complaints there. All right, so future improvement would be to add payment, to add even stricter tracking for each driver, so we know exactly where a driver is in real time. All right, thank you.